Hi, so in today's video what I'm going to do is run you through the occupational noise instruments that Svantek have. So basically in regards to the noise dosimeter range supplied by Svantek themselves, there's previously been the SV104 and now it's also has its sister instrument, which is the SV104A, which is basically the same instrument with Bluetooth. So you can connect that to your Android phone, you can see live results, you can stop measurements, that sort of thing. If you are purchasing noise dosimeters, as you know, you can have the option for a single unit by itself with its own charging hub, or you can alternatively have a kit of 5, which a lot of kits will tend to be sold in. So if you do, you can have the optional carry case for the noise dosimeter, so you have room for 5 dose meters and a calibrator, and then you'll also have a D-Link charging hub, so charging and downloading of software and charging the instruments basically when you're finished at the day. I'll run you through that a little bit later. I'm just going to run you through a few quick specs of the instruments. So as you know, these instruments can have the options for audio recording, 1 octave and 1/3 octave. It's got an 8 gig internal memory and you have a running time of up to 50 hours. So if you're doing 8-hour days, you can get a few sessions in before having to recharge the instruments, which are great. I'm just going to talk quickly about the microphones on these instruments. So basically what they are a MEMS patented microphone. So that basically means micro electrical mechanical system, which uses pressure sensitive diaphragm etched into silicon wafer and integrated preamplifier. So miniature size combined with no mechanical parts makes the MEMS microphone more robust than its analog counterparts. So at Acu-Vib, we're a full NATA calibration lab. We calibrate all instruments, all noise dosimeters, and we run into often microphone drift, microphone acoustic failure, and battery replacement as situations which we come across. Now, in regards to the SV104s, these microphones have a lifetime warranty on them. So if they get damaged, not by physical damage, then they will replace the microphone free of charge. I've never had to send one back to Svantek for a replacement, though they've only had to replace tens of them out of the thousands that have been sold around the world. So just to prove the MEMS microphone drift, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you quickly how I can prove this. So basically I'm going to pop on an acoustic calibrator, and I'm going to show you how to do a calibration just in a few moments time. Though while I'm on the subject of the MEMS microphone, just to prove its robustness and its durability when it's in the field. So basically once a level has been sensed, the unit itself is going to go through its auto calibration. So it's going to count down, it's going to give us a calibration factor which shouldn't be more than 0.5 dB. If it is, we have to disregard the results. That's by the standards. So we have a 0.04 dB C factor. I'm going to pop it off. Now for argument's sake, been told, I was shown this by someone overseas. I don't recommend doing this, but it can be done. So basically if I tap the microphone, I would never tap any other microphone that we have at Acu-Vib or at Svantek, just due to the fragileness of pre-polarized microphones, that sort of thing. So once again, the instrument's going to read, or it's going to sense that there is an input level, 114 dB, which I've set inside the software already. Once this goes through its internal auto calibration, it's going to give us a factor of 0.4 dB. Let's accept that. It's still within tolerance after me bumping it. And just one more time, let's see what happens. So let's plug in 114 dB. We're going to wait for the instrument to sense the level in the acoustic calibrator. Here we go. So the delay and the auto calibration is coming. And now you can see it's 0.04. So me tapping that microphone has had no impact on the drift of the microphone, which just proves that MEMS solution is, you're going to save money on replacing mics, constantly replacing mics, and then lifetime warranty, so you can't go wrong. Anything else in the kit? Once I said, optional carry case, charging hub, mains charger, dose meters, and the data sheets. And now I'm going to tell you how to set the unit up in Supervisor. So thanks.